How to change your TikTok password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can change your password on TikTok, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, changing the password on TikTok does not require you to enter your old password. You can just enter the new password if you have verification methods available. So first, if I just go ahead and then launch the TikTok app, you'll be able to see that this is how it is actually going to look like. So you just need to tap on the profile icon, which is at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on the profile icon, tap on the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, and once you tap on the three line option, here you have to go to the option that says settings and privacy. As you go to settings and privacy, tap on the button that says account. Once you tap on account, you'll find the option that says password over here, so just tap on it. If you want to change the password, it will send a code to your mobile number, so make sure you have access to that code. Once the code has been verified, as you can see, in my case it was automatically verified, you can simply enter your new password. It says your password must have at least 8 characters, 1 letter and 1 number, and 1 special character. So let me also go ahead and choose a password for myself. Now you have simply changed the TikTok account's password. As you can see, it says password changed. Now you can log into your TikTok account using the new password. That's all it takes to change your password on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.